Hey everybody, I'm working on a kata, a Kotlin kata. So part of working on a Kotlin kata means figuring out how to create Kotlin projects in IntelliJ. So what we're going to do is create one way to do that. There are several ways to do that with IntelliJ through the create new project option. So one way is, so let's open this up and see. So you can do it here on Java and you can select Kotlin JVM, or you can go to Gradle and do it here. I'm just testing out just various ways to do that. So going this route with Java and then Kotlin JVM, I'll show you what this will do. So let's go ahead and hit next. Let's go ahead and call this project this is what the kata I'm going to be doing is. All right, so this is going to create not much, because when we go that route where we choose the Java type of project and then tell it to add the Kotlin JVM, it's a bare bones project, I guess. So if we look at this, there's nothing in here. There's an SRC, but otherwise there's just the library. So it adds the SDK for Java, and then it just adds the runtime for Kotlin. So that's it, which is fine. If you want to go this route and add bits and pieces of, say, Gradle yourself, you can. So that's what we'll do. The other project options is a Gradle project, and then you can select Kotlin, and then it'll add Gradle for you. But in this video, we're going to be adding Gradle ourselves. So we'll do Gradle init. And I'm just going to go choose number 8 for now. We're going to choose Kotlin for the DSL, and then project name I'll keep the same. I'll keep the package name the same, and that's it. So this creates the build.gradle.kts, which is a Kotlin Gradle DSL. And I don't care about these comments. I'm getting rid of these comments. I don't care. I can obviously see what this is doing by just looking at it. All right, so that's good. So now the only other thing we have to do is we have to tell our project about Gradle, or tell Gradle about our project, whatever way we want to look at it. So we need Gradle to know about our project, or vice versa. We want IntelliJ to link Gradle to our project. So the way I found to do that is to right-click your build.gradle, and there's this import Gradle project. If I go here, and if I keep all defaults and I just hit OK, so actually before we do that, let's see if, so right now notice we don't have a Gradle tab here. So that's because IntelliJ does not know about Gradle, or vice versa, right? So if we go here and we try to tell it exists, I don't know, doing OK here does some kind of magic, and links your project to Gradle. At least that's what I think it's doing. So notice that it added a main, and it added some more folders for us, so we can actually start having real package names and a real namespace here. It added some example tests here, example class. Here's a Kotlin class. Kotlin is just a nicer, it's a language that JetBrains came up with that just makes it less painful to code versus Java, because Java just sucks. And so this is just a nicer language that will compile to Java. And I think a lot of Java programmers are starting to use Kotlin a lot, so I like it. I'm having to do Java right now at my current job. Our client's using Android, so we are using Kotlin with Android. So that's why I'm playing with Kotlin right now and doing a kata, because I want to learn about Kotlin syntax more. We've been doing it for a while, but I need to still practice it. So, and part of the pain is getting past understanding how to create the new projects in IntelliJ, because IntelliJ can be either smooth or not. Then the latest version of IntelliJ is very smooth. So just getting in the habit of knowing how to do this, so next time I don't have to go through this and try to figure it out, is part of the reason you do a kata. So having that repetition and remembering stuff, so that it becomes something you do in your sleep, and you don't have to stumble on it anymore. So, all right, so we've got this. Now we're linked. Let's go ahead and see if we can run our test. Because if we can run our test, then we know everything's working, right? So let's run our test. And we're good. So now we can start, doing our kata. We could rename this to Roman numeral. That's it, Roman numeral calculator class, and then start doing, and then rename this to Roman numeral calculator test. All right, so that's how you create that way. In our next video, we will do it another way, and then we'll create a couple of more videos. We'll do it even another way. So, till next time, I hope this helped.